If I could be anybody, I would be you. Maybe I'd understand the things that you do. Stuck at a costume party, dressed in your shoes.
I'm just hiding
If
from my
I could
sister.
have anybody, you know that it would be you. And I got this
Don't
feeling in my
worry,
chest, and you're not
Pancake.
here now, I've said it.
Yes, ate. Nagmamahalan kami.
To my heart like cement, like that night we had in Chicago, when you pulled me up to that roof and we played God with the people below us, and that
Gusto ka tat?
Usang at...
I would be lying if I wasn't before. Why do I miss you like I miss you? Now you're out of my
Uy, mahilig ka magpelikula.
Yeah. Sundin ako.
Tell me with something that we're
You know,
nothing, and I miss
some people would actually pay me to live with them.
what you doing tonight.
Sorry. Ayun. Are you gay?
So,
If I
What
could
if I
be anybody, I would be you. Keep my emotions in a box like you do. And do you ever think of
Gusto ko magtrabaho sa pelikula.
going back to kiss my mouth?
Trabaho mo ko.
And it's always been you. And I get this feeling in my chest, and you're not here.
Hindi po kami ate.
Memories I can't suppress.
Because of that, hindi ko naintindihan. Kung gusto.
You pulled me up to that roof, and we played God with the people below us.
Social dance pelikula sis. Try.
I'd be lying if I wasn't before. Why do I miss you like I miss you? Now you're out of my life. I wanna know what you're doing tonight.
kiss her much.
Tell me with something that we're nothing, and I miss what that's like. I wanna know what you're doing tonight.
Kiss. Kiss sila. Tingnan mo yung kahulugan. Close mo. Pogi. Matalino. Tsaka confident naman. Hindi ko sabihin, nagawa mo mas matapos.
I want to be in charge of you.